October 19, 2017. Telescopes in Hawaii scan the night sky for asteroids, familiar rocks from our solar system. Suddenly, an alert, a new object, moving far too fast to belong here. This was no ordinary asteroid. It was a visitor from the vast space between stars. For the first time, astronomers had found a confirmed interstellar object passing through our solar system. Imagine our solar system as a small town. The sun is the center, planets are the houses, and we know all the regulars. But this object was a tourist, just passing through, not bound by the sun's gravity. It was on a one-way trip, a brief encounter before vanishing into the dark. The scientific community was electrified. The object was small, maybe a few hundred meters long, but its speed was astonishing, over 196,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to cross the US in under a minute. Its speed alone proved it was not from our solar system. This was a true alien, literally, from another star. The race was on to study it before it disappeared forever. This wasn't just a scientific curiosity, it was a profound moment for humanity. For centuries we've wondered if we're alone, sending our own probes into the void. Now, the universe had sent something to us, a physical message from another star system. This was our chance to study a piece of the cosmos beyond our home. The universe had started a conversation and we were finally able to listen. The initial reports were thrilling. What was it? A comet? An asteroid? Something else? The object's origin and nature were a mystery. It was a fleeting opportunity, one that astronomers had dreamed of for generations. We had to act fast. This was a message in a bottle from the stars. The discovery changed our understanding of the solar system's place in the galaxy. For the first time, we could study an interstellar traveler up close. The universe had knocked on our door, and we were ready to answer.
Scientists named the object Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning messenger from afar arriving first. Detected by the Pan-STARRS telescope, it was initially thought to be a comet, but Oumuamua had no tail, no glowing coma, just a point of light. Its path was unique and coming from the direction of Vega, but it had traveled for millions, maybe billions of years. It swooped past the sun and was flung back out, following a hyperbolic trajectory, proof it wasn't bound to our sun. The biggest surprise: its shape. We couldn't see it directly, but its brightness changed dramatically as it tumbled through space, sometimes bright, sometimes dim, suggesting a long, thin shape, maybe 10 times longer than it was wide. Imagine a cosmic cigar or pancake spinning end over end. This was unlike any asteroid or comet we'd ever seen. Most space rocks are lumpy and potato-shaped. Oumuamua was an outlier. Its elongated shape, high speed, and interstellar origin made it one of the most mysterious objects ever observed. We had only weeks to study it before it faded from view. The messenger had arrived, delivered its mystery, and vanished back into the void. Astronomers scrambled to gather as much data as possible. Every observation raised new questions. Oumuamua was a puzzle from the stars. Its brief visit left us with more questions than answers. The universe had sent us a riddle, and we were determined to solve it. The mysteries didn't end with Oumuamua's shape. As it left the sun, astronomers noticed it was accelerating, moving faster than gravity alone could explain. Normally, comets accelerate due to outgassing, but Oumuamua showed no visible signs, no dust, no gas, no tail. If outgassing was happening, it was invisible to our instruments. This led to new theories. Maybe it was a new kind of comet, or perhaps a chunk of solid nitrogen from a Pluto-like world. Nitrogen gas is transparent, so we wouldn't see a tail. This could explain both the acceleration and the lack of visible outgassing. Oumuamua challenged our categories. Was it a comet, asteroid, or something else? The debate continues. Was it a natural object we've never seen before, or something more exotic? The acceleration was tiny, but in orbital mechanics, even small effects matter. Our understanding was incomplete. Oumuamua forced us to rethink what's possible in the cosmos. It was a scientific mystery of the highest order. Theories multiplied, but no answer was definitive. The object's behavior pushed the boundaries of our imagination. Was it a fragment of an exopluto, a hydrogen iceberg, or something entirely new? The mystery of Oumuamua's motion remains unsolved, and that's what makes it so fascinating. For 2 years, Oumuamua was unique, until August 2019. Amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov discovered a new object 2I Borisov, the second confirmed interstellar visitor. This time, the visitor looked and acted like a classic comet. As it neared the sun, Borisov developed a bright coma and a long tail. Clear signs of outgassing. It was a relief for astronomers. Interstellar comets do exist and can look familiar. By studying Borisov's light, scientists found water, carbon, and other common molecules. This suggested the building blocks of comets, and maybe life, are similar across star systems. Borisov was larger than Oumuamua, letting us study it for months. It was a reassuring visitor, confirming our theories about comets. But it also made Oumuamua seem even stranger by comparison. If Borisov was a normal interstellar comet, what was Oumuamua? The universe had sent us two very different messengers. Each one brought new clues and new mysteries. The story of interstellar visitors was just beginning. With 3 confirmed visitors, we can start to piece together their origins. The leading theory, they're debris from the formation of other solar systems, flung out by giant planets in chaotic early days. Our own solar system likely ejected trillions of such objects. Borisov fits this model perfectly, a comet from another Oort cloud. 3I Atlas might be similar, but older or from a different region. These objects are cosmic fossils, preserving information from their birthplaces. Oumuamua, though, remains the odd one out. Its shape and acceleration defy easy explanation. Theories abound. Nitrogen iceberg, hydrogen iceberg, or something entirely new. Their random arrival directions suggest a vast population of wanderers fills the galaxy. By studying these rare visitors, we sample the building blocks of planets across the cosmos. They are messengers from countless worlds in the making. Each one is a clue to the galaxy's hidden history. And every new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Whenever we find something truly strange in space, the question arises. Could it be aliens? With Oumuamua, even serious scientists considered the possibility. Its odd shape and unexplained acceleration led some, like Avi Loeb, to suggest it might be artificial. A solar sail from another civilization. A solar sail uses sunlight for propulsion, matching some of Oumuamua's behavior. But extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence. Most scientists favor natural explanations, like the nitrogen iceberg theory. Science prefers the simplest answer, Occam's razor. Still, the debate is healthy. It pushes us to think creatively and question assumptions. Even if Oumuamua is natural, the discussion helps us imagine what alien probes might look like. SETI has long searched for radio signals, but now we know to watch for physical objects too. The universe might be sending messages in more ways than we expect. We must be ready to listen and to look. The search for life just got a little more interesting. Discovering interstellar objects is possible thanks to powerful sky surveys like Pan-STARRS and ATLAS. These telescopes scan the sky every few nights, searching for anything that moves or changes. When a potential interstellar object is found, astronomers worldwide mobilize. Telescopes like Hubble and advanced spectrographs analyze the object's light, revealing its composition. This is how we learned Borisov had water, and Oumuamua had nothing we could see. The future is bright. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile will soon scan the sky in unprecedented detail. Scientists expect it to discover dozens, maybe hundreds, of interstellar objects. We'll move from a handful of examples to a full catalog. With more discoveries, we'll understand the true diversity of interstellar visitors. Are most like Borisov, or are there more Oumuamuas out there? One day, we might even send a probe to meet one. Imagine flying alongside an interstellar object, taking close-up pictures, maybe even landing. It would be like opening a package from another star. The next era of discovery is about to begin. These visitors are more than scientific curiosities. They're reminders of our place in the universe. For so long, we've been isolated, like islanders who've never seen a ship from another land. Now driftwood from distant shores is washing up on our beach. The space between stars is not empty. It's filled with messengers from a billion worlds. Each new discovery brings wonder and excitement. Oumuamua gave us a mystery, Borisov, familiarity, 3I Atlas, a sense of abundance. What will the next visitor reveal? Most will be simple rocks and ice, but one might carry the signature of life or technology. The universe is a book, and we've just opened the first page. This journey belongs to everyone, not just scientists. When we look up, we know travelers are passing through, on journeys that began before us and will continue long after. They remind us the cosmos is vast, ancient, and full of surprises. The conversation has begun. The universe has sent its first messengers. Now, it's our turn to listen, learn, and prepare for the next arrival. With every new discovery, we get closer to understanding our origins. The greatest discoveries are still ahead, waiting in the dark.